Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So, guys, update here on Plug Power ticker PLUG. Yeah, we're trading now here, guys, in the price range. That's why I have to make a video here because we are very close to the price which I want to see here for Plug Power. Related here to TradingView, there is earnings, the earnings report tomorrow. I don't care about that, to be honest. I give you now here my full chart analyze and yeah, let you know what I expect for Plug Power and why. I think we still have here a very interesting setup in favor for an algo squeeze or even a short squeeze. Everything what I say here is, of course, not financial advice. Yeah, guys, the market was completely red yesterday. We can see that we had here just, yeah, the Dow Jones and Amazon 0.04% plus, 0.3% plus. Everything else has been red. Tesla minus 8%. Also some other stocks here, 2% plus, 5%, 0.2%, and then everything red. And also crypto is not looking good, guys. So what happens usually when the market makers create these kind of sell-off days? Everything goes down at the same day, and guess what, guys? Then everything will go up in the next day or 2 days later. But of course, they just create these kind of shakeouts here to accumulate their positions, and that doesn't mean that we cannot see here some short squeezes or that the market is crashing, guys. So you cannot become emotional when you see something like that. When we see now here the Plug Power chart, yeah, it does not look good, guys. The all-time high has been $75. Now we're trading here at $1.57, so very low. Earning report tomorrow. Market capital still good, $1.4 billion, and we can see that the average trading volume is here around 64 million shares. Yesterday 62 million shares have been traded, and just minus 1% is not too much, guys. So when we see this, yeah, that looks like that this stock here is in a very horrible downtrend and unstoppable, and everything looks bad. But when we zoom out, guys, when we see the overall chart picture here for Plug Power, then we can see, believe it or not, that Plug Power is still in an uptrend, because the all-time low which we have here related to the chart back here in 2013, and if you think that this is here in an old value or that is not yeah, you don't need to consider this anymore, guys. It is everything based on algos here, and we need to see the chart, even if it's already a 10-year-old chart pattern. What we have, the all-time low has been 11 cents. Now we're trading here at $1.50, which means that we have here still a 10x move here on the price. And in my opinion, guys, we're coming now very close here for a very spicy price range for Plug Power. What I do here on this channel, guys, of course, I try to educate people in trading. This is the purpose, my main purpose, and also the reason why I started this channel. I'm trading since many years, and I try to share my knowledge because I know that it's very difficult to become successful in trading, especially when you have no ideas how to read charts. That's why I try to keep it simple here and educate you. But I also have one more mission, guys, and this is to predict short squeezes. This is what I will do here for Plug Power in this video, and what I'm doing also beside Plug Power, because we have a lot of squeezes in the market. And even if a market is red, guys, that doesn't mean that tickers cannot squeeze, because I released here on Sunday my so-called hot stock video. I released those videos every Sunday here, and the hot stock video contains tickers which have high squeeze potential, my personal finest selection of tickers where I expect a squeeze to happen in the very few next days. There is never any kind of guarantee. I cannot see the future, but one of these hot stocks where I released my video on Sunday squeezed already here on Monday, 1 day later, 109%, guys. So it is possible to predict short squeezes, and that's why we will also dive in here into the Plug Power chart. Yeah, overall I had a couple of more squeezes here in February after my predictions, everything here between 150 and even almost here 800%. So if you want to see here my hidden short squeeze plays, you can of course join in here our trading community. Show you that really quick. Here, the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. This is where everyday new members joining in, guys. We're growing here very quick and very fast. And yeah, you get a lot of content here, a lot of benefits, and of course my hot stocks and trading alerts are also very popular here. If you want to join in, guys, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader. When you click here the info card in the corner, you get access to this Patreon member link. So guys, let's now check the chart structure here for Plug Power, that you understand what I'm talking about when I say Plug Power is in an uptrend. Let's now enable here my drawings. I think we don't need the indicators. It is not necessary right now. So, and this is where we are, guys. So we have two bullish things right now for Plug Power. The first bullish thing is, and that's why I'm very bullish on Plug Power right now. because we left this kind of trend channel pattern here. This trend channel pattern was in control, has been in control of the price, which means the top line here acts as a resistance, the bottom line acts as a support, and you can see that we built something like a wedge pattern here and left this kind of trend channel pattern. This is first one of the reasons why I'm bullish. And the second is, yeah, when we talk about the uptrend, when we see that Plug Power is coming here from 11 cents and lower, or 11 cents was the all-time low, we have this trend channel pattern here in favor for the bulls, guys. And guess what? We are very, very close for the first time since December 2018. Guys, we here in the position now 7 years later for the first time. Not yet, guys, not yet. You can see that we missed it by a couple of cents, but we are here now for the first time to hit the bottom of this trend channel, guys, and that could cause a massive algo reaction. We had here every time when we hit this kind of trend channel bottom, we had squeezes. Here, one of those squeezes has been 280%. The next one has been here. Yeah, of course, that was the beginning of a really, really big short squeeze. This is where I have to zoom out, where Plug Power squeezed until $75, guys. And we are now very, very close for the first time to hit this again since 2018. So keep that in mind. This is the price level which I want to see for Plug Power, $1.50, and even lower. I would be happy to see a lower price. Is there a guarantee that Plug Power squeeze? No, guys, there is no guarantee. Why? Because we're talking here about a highly shorted stock with a lot of short selling pressure. Plug Power has a short interest of 32%. For everybody who is not familiar with this, that is not good, guys. If a stock has a high short interest, that doesn't mean that you can see an ultra high short squeeze. Yes, of course, a short squeeze is possible, but not when the stock is permanently in a downtrend. So when we want to see a short squeeze, then we need something like that the short interest is increasing and the stock is ripping and ripping and ripping and ripping and ripping, and then at some point the short sellers have to cover. Then we talk about a short squeeze. What this now brings here, when we have this constellation, I call them also short squeezes, but this is more or less an algo squeeze where short sellers start to cover their positions because the price is so low that they start to cover their positions, and while they're covering their positions, the price drives up, and then when we break out of this algo zone here, guys, we can see a big short squeeze for Plug Power. That's why I said everything here in this range, if you didn't see in my previous videos here, everything in this price range here is just an algo squeeze, but in that case, we still talk here about a volatility range of 120%, which is already very good for swing traders. But when we want to see a short squeeze, we have to break $3.41, guys. By the way, guys, what you see here, the chart, all my patterns and everything, every video, guys, what you see here, this chart program here is called TradingView. This is what I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to learn trading, guys, look my videos, watch every content which you can get, and try to understand trading and to understand how the algos trade, how the algos work, where the algos are waiting, resistance levels, price levels, guys. You need a good chart program to spot them, and that's why I recommend here TradingView in all my videos, guys, and I use it, as I said, for all my videos. You can get here a $15 discount link if you want to get that program. This is a discount on the premium tier, and when you click the info card in the corner, you get access to the special TradingView discount link. So, guys, this is what I expect for Plug Power right now. So technically, I think we are here in a very good situation. RSI looks good. Price we don't need to talk about. Of course, we can go much lower, guys. Don't just hope for a squeeze. Always set your stop loss. This is very important. But Plug Power, in my opinion, with this algo zone here and close to the $1 price range, guys, it looks for me very, very spicy. Even we have here a lot of short sellers waiting, but technically, guys, I think the stock is very, very ready to break out very soon. I could be wrong, that's why this is not financial advice, but I keep my focus on that. Keep that also on your radar, and of course I will update you here in the next days if something happens here to the up or the downside. If you don't want to miss any updates, guys, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I really appreciate your support, guys. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Plug Power Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.